So today we're going to take a look at how you can make a bar chart or a pie chart in Google Sheets, and it's pretty simple. So all we've done here is we're just going to show you how you can make a simple chart, and we've already got some data that we've already put in here. It's just about some fruit and some numbers that we have with the fruit. So to start this, all we want to do is just highlight our data. So as you can see there, we've highlighted everything that we want to put in the chart. And next we're going to just click insert. When we click insert, we're going to want to click chart, and straight away it gives us a pie chart, and this is a very nice looking chart. As you can see, it's even worked out the percentages for us of how much in total. We don't even have to have a total for this. So from here we can also change some different things. We can make it into a different chart. As you can see here, the data range is A1 to B5, and the value range for this is B1 to B5, which is correct. And we can just click this drop down here if we want to change it into a bar chart. As you can see there, we have our different fruits, and we can also go in here, we can also click some different charts, but for the data we have, pie or a bar chart is more than adequate. We can also click into customization. We can also choose some options like changing fonts, colors. As you can see here, I know this looks like awful, but we can also make it 3D, we can maximize it, and all sorts of different things like that. We can even add a title, I think. Let's just put a title in, the fruits. As you can see there, we've added a title now. We can also make that bold, italic, and there's quite a few different options that we can choose from on here that you can play with to highly customize your chart. Once you're finished, you can just click the X up here. We can drag this around once we've clicked on it to anywhere we want. If we actually want to edit it again, we can double click and we're back in here. If we want, we can change it to a pie chart, and that does erase all the customizations. But once again, we can add a title back if we want. And there you go. So that's how you create basic charts in Google Sheets. I hope you found that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.